Okay, so today I'll be showing you how to install LEDs on a 2000 Ford Ranger. Right here on mine, you have a little black piece that you can spin to unlock, which opens up this, which I will be replacing. You also take off the clip. Today I'll be using LED fog lights, but on this side of mine it's got some Torx screws put in, so I'll probably take them out right now. We have a T20 Torque for my right side. I don't know if other Ford Rangers are like this one, but don't know if you can see with the sun, but that's what they look like. Yeah, there's 3 of them, and you have the other one out. Keep these in good condition if you ever do want to put them back in. You can probably open the bag a different way than I just did. Oh, and it does recommend you use gloves when putting these in, so you don't damage them or get your oils on the light. And after that, you put your screws back in. I don't really know how tight they have to go in, so usually want to get them all 3 in first, not super tight right away. But good enough so it doesn't move around. If you want to see. That's what I mean by don't tighten them all the way. You want to make sure once you have all 3 in, you go pretty tight, I'd say, on the rest of them. So now we'll go to the other side, which I won't be needing this anymore. So now this side, I don't know why, but it screws in. If any of you know, you can let me know. I'll go get that in a bit. Had to go get it before it went off. And then once you screw this on, you should be able to clip them back on like so. I got them in. I suggest you probably check these after a couple days of driving, make sure you got them in correctly and all that. That's probably what I'll do. Those just jiggle around normally. Now we'll fire it up and see how bright it is. Fog lights are on. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful to you or your Ford Ranger,